The civil rights movement in the United States, circa 1954 से 1968, was a transformative period marked by a powerful surge of activism and advocacy aimed at dismantling racial segregation and securing equal rights for African Americans. This period witnessed the rise of charismatic leaders, the implementation of diverse strategies, and the unwavering commitment of ordinary individuals who collectively challenged the deeply entrenched system of racial injustice. The genesis of the movement. The seeds of the civil rights movement were sown long before the mid-20th century, rooted in the centuries-long struggle against slavery and its enduring legacy of discrimination. Landmark events and legal precedents laid the groundwork for the movement's emergence. Sitara 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 Emancipation Proclamation 1863. While it didn't end slavery in all states, it was a pivotal step toward recognizing the inherent rights of African Americans. Sitara Reconstruction Era 1865 से 1877. This period saw the passage of constitutional amendments 13th, 14th, and 15th intended to grant civil and political rights to black citizens. However, these gains were gradually eroded by discriminatory state laws and practices. Sitara Plessy v. Ferguson 1896. This Supreme Court decision upheld the constitutionality of racial segregation under the separate but equal doctrine, providing a legal basis for the Jim Crow laws that would dominate the South for decades. Despite these setbacks, the fight for equality persisted through the efforts of early civil rights advocates and organizations like the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, NAACP, founded in 1909. The NAACP focused on legal challenges to segregation and discrimination, laying the foundation for the more direct action phase of the mid-20th century. Key leaders and their contributions. The civil rights movement was propelled by the vision, courage, and strategic brilliance of numerous leaders who mobilized communities and challenged the status quo. Their diverse backgrounds and approaches contributed to the multifaceted nature of the struggle. Sitara 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 Martin Luther King Jr. 1929 से 1968, a Baptist minister and charismatic orator, King emerged as the most prominent leader of the movement. He championed nonviolent resistance, inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, advocating for civil disobedience as a powerful tool for social change. His leadership in the Montgomery bus boycott, the Southern Christian Leadership Conference (SCLC), the Birmingham Campaign, and the March on Washington galvanized national and international attention, making him a Nobel Peace Prize laureate. His "I Have a Dream" speech remains a defining moment in the quest for racial equality. Sitara Rosa Parks 1913 से 2005, often hailed as the mother of the civil rights movement, Parks' courageous act of defiance on a Montgomery, Alabama bus in 1955 sparked the pivotal Montgomery bus boycott. Her refusal to give up her seat to a white passenger became a catalyst for mass mobilization and propelled the movement forward. Sitara 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 John Lewis 1904 से 2020, a student activist who rose to become a prominent civil rights leader and long-serving congressman, Lewis was a co-founder and chairman of the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee (SNCC). He played a crucial role in organizing the Freedom Rides and the March on Washington, enduring violence and arrests in his unwavering commitment to justice. Sitara 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 A. Philip Randolph 1889 से 1979, a veteran labor organizer and civil rights activist, Randolph recognized the power of collective action. He headed the Brotherhood of Sleeping Car Porters and was a key strategist behind the March on Washington in 1963, advocating for both civil rights and economic justice. Sitara 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 Roy Wilkins 1901 से 1981, a longtime leader of the NAACP, Wilkins played a crucial role in the organization's legal and legislative efforts. His steady leadership and strategic acumen were instrumental in achieving key legal victories and legislative reforms. Sitara 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 Thurgood Marshall 1908 से 1993, as the chief counsel for the NAACP Legal Defense and Educational Fund, Marshall spearheaded the legal fight against segregation. His brilliant legal arguments led to the landmark Brown v. Board of Education Supreme Court decision, which declared state-sponsored segregation in public schools unconstitutional. He later became the first African American Supreme Court justice. Sitara 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 Ella Baker 1903 से 1986, a grassroots organizer and strategist, Baker played a vital role in empowering local communities and fostering participatory democracy within the movement. She was instrumental in the formation of SNCC, emphasizing the importance of student leadership and decentralized organizing. Sitara 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 Fannie Lou Hamer 1917 से 1977, a powerful voice for voting rights and economic justice, Hema emerged from the Mississippi Delta as a fearless advocate for black empowerment. Her personal experiences with racial oppression and her unwavering determination inspired countless others to join the struggle. Sitara Malcolm X 192 se 196 initially advocating for black nationalism and separatism as a prominent figure in the Nation of Islam, Malcolm X later shifted his views toward racial unity before his assassination. His powerful rhetoric and critique of systemic racism resonated with many who felt excluded from the mainstream civil rights movement. Sitara other influential figures, the movement was also shaped by the contributions of countless other individuals, including James Farmer, Congress of Racial Equality, Bayard Rustin, chief organizer of the March on Washington, Medgar Evers, NAACP field secretary, Diane Nash, student leader in the Nashville sit-in movement, and many more unsung heroes at the local level. Strategies and tactics. The civil rights movement employed a diverse range of strategies and tactics to challenge segregation and discrimination. Sitara Nonviolent Direct Action, inspired by Gandhi's philosophy, this approach involved peaceful protests, sit-ins, marches, boycotts, and civil disobedience to confront injustice and raise public awareness. The Montgomery bus boycott 195 se 196 and the Greensboro sit-ins 1960 are prime examples of the effectiveness of nonviolent resistance in disrupting segregationist practices. Sitara Legal Challenges. The NAACP Legal Defense and Educational Fund played a crucial role in challenging discriminatory laws in court. The Brown v. Board of Education 1954 ruling, which overturned the separate but equal doctrine in public education, was a landmark victory achieved through legal strategy. Sitara grassroots organizing. Local activists and community leaders mobilized ordinary people to participate in the movement. Organizations like SNCC focused on empowering students and local communities to take direct action and advocate for their rights. Sitara Political Action. The movement aimed to influence legislation and policy through voter registration drives, lobbying efforts, and political mobilization. The passage of key civil rights legislation in the 196 Safar was a direct result of sustained political pressure. Sitara Mass Media and Public Awareness. The civil rights movement effectively utilized mass media, particularly television, to expose the brutality of segregation and garner public sympathy and support for their cause. Images of peaceful protesters facing violence shocked the nation and galvanized calls for change. Key events and turning points. The civil rights movement was punctuated by several pivotal events that marked significant progress and challenges. Sitara Montgomery bus boycott 195 se 196, sparked by Rosa Parks' arrest. This year-long boycott of the Montgomery, Alabama bus system led to the Supreme Court ruling that segregation on public buses was unconstitutional. It also brought Martin Luther King Jr. to national prominence. Sitara Little Rock 1957, the integration of Central High School in Little Rock, Arkansas, faced fierce resistance, requiring federal intervention to ensure the safety of the 9 African American students who sought to desegregate the school. This event highlighted the deep-seated opposition to integration in the South. Sitara Greensboro sit-ins 1960, 4 African American college students in Greensboro, North Carolina, staged a sit-in at a segregated Woolworth's lunch counter, sparking a wave of similar protests across the South and demonstrating the power of student activism. Sitara Freedom Rides 1961, civil rights activists rode interstate buses into the segregated South to challenge the non-enforcement of Supreme Court decisions outlawing segregation in interstate transportation. They faced violence and arrests, drawing national attention to the ongoing struggle. Sitara Birmingham Campaign 1963, the campaign in Birmingham, Alabama, used nonviolent tactics to protest segregation. The brutal response by local authorities, including the use of police dogs and fire hoses against peaceful protesters, horrified the nation and galvanized support for federal intervention. Sitara March on Washington for Jobs and Freedom 1963, this massive demonstration brought hundreds of thousands of people to Washington, D.C., to demand civil and economic rights for African Americans. It was the occasion for Martin Luther King Jr.'s iconic "I Have a Dream" speech. Sitara Selma to Montgomery marches 1965, protests against voting discrimination in Selma, Alabama, faced violent resistance, including Bloody Sunday. These events galvanized public opinion and contributed to the passage of the Voting Rights Act of 1965. Sitara assassination of Martin Luther King Jr. 1968, King's assassination in Memphis, Tennessee, was a profound loss to the movement and the nation. While it sparked grief and outrage, it also fueled a renewed commitment to his vision of equality and justice. Legislative achievements. The sustained efforts of the civil rights movement culminated in landmark legislative achievements that outlawed segregation and discrimination. Sitara Civil Rights Act of 1964. This landmark legislation prohibited discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin in public accommodations, employment, and federally funded programs. It also strengthened the federal government's power to enforce desegregation. Sitara Voting Rights Act of 1965. This act outlawed discriminatory voting practices, such as literacy tests, that had been used to disenfranchise African American voters, particularly in the South. It led to a significant increase in black voter registration and political participation. Sitara Fair Housing Act of 1968, passed in the wake of Martin Luther King Jr.'s assassination. This act prohibited discrimination in the sale, rental, and financing of housing based on race, religion, national origin, sex, familial status, or disability. Legacy and ongoing struggle. The civil rights movement fundamentally transformed American society, dismantling legal segregation and expanding opportunities for African Americans. It served as a model for other social justice movements and continues to inspire the fight for equality and human rights globally. However, the legacy of slavery and segregation persists in the form of systemic racism, economic disparities, and ongoing struggles for justice. Issues such as police brutality, racial profiling, and unequal access to education and healthcare continue to challenge the promise of equality for all. The civil rights movement's unfinished work underscores the ongoing need for vigilance, advocacy, and collective action to achieve a truly just and equitable society. The lessons learned from the leadership, strategies, and sacrifices of the civil rights movement remain vital in the continuing pursuit of a more perfect union.